Hello students, this is Namrata from SEMStar Global School, and here in this video we will start our new chapter for the next assessment, that is chapter 15, Travel, Communication and Money. So why we are going to learn about this chapter? Because it is very important to know how we can travel, what are the means of transport we are using for traveling, what are the ways of communication, and what is the thing required for these two things for travel and communication, that is definitely money. So here in this chapter we will learn about different means of transportation in India, different types of bridges, okay, and different currencies, not only India. Basically we have to learn about the currency, okay. Then about means of communication, how can we communicate, what are the different means we are using to communicate from other person. So here in this chapter from the beginning, if you can see here, it is given that there is a boy whose name is Rishi, and he is traveling in the southern part of India like Mysore, Chennai and Hyderabad, and he is very happy because he is going to travel and in his summer vacations he is going on a family trip. What is a family trip? When you are going on a travel with your family members, that is called the family trip. तो ये जो लड़का है जिसका नाम ऋषि है, ये नोएडा में रहता है और ये बहुत खुश है। क्यों? क्योंकि ये ट्रैवल करने जा रहा है अपनी फैमिली के साथ। इस वजह से इस ट्रिप का नाम क्या रखा है इन्होंने? दैट इज कॉल्ड अ फैमिली ट्रिप। एंड हियर ही इज गोइंग ऑन अ फैमिली ट्रिप टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस इन द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया। इफ यू नो द मैप ऑफ इंडिया, हियर this is the southern part of India, and here are some special places that are nice to visit: Mysore, Hyderabad and Chennai. There are so many places, but Rishi is going to see these three main places, and they are at the southern part of India. अब अगर बात की जाए कि जब आप ट्रिप पे जाते हो तो आप क्या क्या देखते हो वहाँ पे, और क्या क्या आपको ले जाना जरूरी होता है, what are the things that has to be kept in your travel bag. So here it is a list given. Here as you can see there is a list and the things has to be numberized. तो आपको इनको नंबर्स देना है कि सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे when you are going to start your travel. Okay, so first one is given here. I'm just going to read these points, then we will numberize them. Wait, I will write it on the board. So here I have written in a very short way. See, these are the things. Okay, here are the things that you can see. I have written in a short way. These all are given in your book. Okay, so when we started our journey, first of all, what we do you book a cab instantly that you want to go somewhere? No, we are starting packaging of our clothes and other necessary things. So we will write it here, the first one. Okay, first of all we will finalize the clothes, what we have to take with ourselves. Then we will pack our clothes. What we have to take with us. Yes, here. Then we will pack clothes and other things properly. Then pack toothbrush, and reach the railway station well on time, because if you are late then you can't get your train, and train will not wait for anyone. So that is why we have to book a cab so that we can reach on time. Then what would be our fifth one? That is check the tickets and other documents and give them to elders. No. Then we will board the train and occupy the correct seat. Before that we have to check the tickets and other documents and give them to the elders. अपने से जो बड़े लोग होंगे उन्हें हमें टिकट और बाकी इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स देना है बोर्ड करने के पहले ही, ठीक है? So that will come here and this will be your sixth one. Board the train and occupy the correct seat. Then read on the internet about the weather conditions of that places to be visited. Actually, this must be your first thing before you go to the journey, so that you can keep the clothes according to the environment of that particular place. It is very important. If you are going to Shimla and you know snowfall is going on, तो आपको सर्दी के लिए कपड़े ले जाना बहुत जरूरी होगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले हम इंटरनेट पे उस जगह की वेदर कंडीशंस के बारे में जानेंगे जहां हम जा रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो दैट विल बी योर फर्स्ट. देन this will be your second. Finalize the clothes according to the places environment or the weather condition, and this would be your fourth one, and here it is fifth. This one will be your sixth and seventh. And at the last, enjoy the journey wherever you are going. So here I have done it for you, but this is your duty to make it in a correct order by yourself. Okay? Then means of transport. What are the different means of transport we are using for traveling? क्या क्या ऐसे मीन्स हैं जो आप ट्रैवल के लिए यूज करते हो? आप स्कूल आते हो, स्कूल बसेस यूज करते हो, कैब्स होती हैं, वैन होती हैं, वी आर यूजिंग देम. और अगर आपका शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पे कोई डेस्टिनेशन है जहाँ आप घूमने जा रहे हो तो हम कैब बुक कर सकते हैं. कहीं बहुत दूर जाना है और हम ट्रेन का यूज कर सकते हैं. if you want to fly, you can use aeroplane. So we will discuss all these means of transport in the next video. So whatever we have done today, the story is just begin about Rishi's journey. तो ऋषि जब जर्नी पे जा रहा है वो क्या क्या चीजें रख रहा है, क्या हमें रखना चाहिए, ये all the things we have discussed. Then we will discuss means of transport and types of bridges in the next video. Okay.